friends, welcome back to Sneha's Statistic World. In this today's video, I am going to explain you about the second part of matter in our surroundings. And if you don't watch my first part video, I will put on a link in description box. Please go watch that video. Once again recall what we are learning in the previous video. Previous video we learning matter. What is matter? Matter is the something which occupied the space as mass is known as matter. Next we learn physical properties of matter. What are the physical properties of matter? Every matter is made up of a small particles, and particles of matter are very small in the size we cannot see with the naked eyes. You know which is the small element in the matter? That is hydrogen. Hydrogen. You know hydrogen is very small. It is 0.375 nanometer. Once again, hydrogen is 0.375 nanometer. You know what is nanometer? Nanometer, which means it is the 1 nanometer is equals to be a 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Okay, which is the small element? That is hydrogen, that is 0.375 nanometer. More about information nanometer we learn in the second chapter, that is matter around us pure. Okay, I will erase. Okay, and we learn the characteristics of matter. What is the characteristics of matter? First characteristic is every matter have space between them, and second characteristic is every matter of particles are continuous moving. Third characteristic is particles of matter attract each other. Okay, let's get started. Okay, every particles of matter attract each other. How? I can tell. You can see the solid particles and liquid particles and gaseous particles. What you find? You find the solid particles are very closely to each other, and liquid particles are little bit space between them, and gaseous particles are very away from each other. Yes? How do you find very much attraction? That is solid particles. How? The solid particles are very closely to each other, so attraction of particle is more than solid. Note it, more than solid compared to liquid and gaseous, more than solid. You can do the one activity. What you take? You take an iron nail. Okay, you take an iron nail and you take a rubber band and you take the chalk piece. Okay, and arm it, which means you can break them. You can easily to break the chalk piece. Yes, but you don't easily to break the rubber and iron nail, because I already told you solid particles are very attraction each other. So you can don't breaking the iron nail. You can try it. It's convert to a malleability, which means it's convert to a like a sheet. Okay, but it don't break, which means the particles of solid are very attraction each other. Clear? And you can easily to break the chalk piece. Chalk piece is not gaseous. It is also a solid. Attraction, which means very easy. One particle is there, one particle is there. Clear? They are attractive to each other. They are attractive, which means these particles goes to here and this particles goes to here. Okay, one particle each there, one particle each there, one particle. They are very attraction. How? Solid are very in attraction power, because solid are very closely to each other, so they are very attraction. Clear? Attraction, which means they are closely to another particle. Okay, go ahead. The next topic is the next concept is state of matter. States of matter. Matter exists in three different states. Which are there? First one is solid, second one is liquid, third one is gas. First we learn properties of solid. What are the properties of solid? Solids have the definite shape and fixed value. Yes, every solid particles, every solid matter have the definite shape. Yes, and fixed value. What is value? Value, which means, for example, now you take any box and put it on a ground floor, and again put on a first floor, again put on a second floor, again put on a other sides, and mark the which how much place box occupied, how much mass box occupied. Every sides, every different sides, every different space mass box occupied the same place, which means solid have the fixed value. The second property is the space between the particles is minimum. Yes, the space between the particles is minimum. Why? Because the particles of solid are very closely to each other, okay. The third property is the force of attraction between the particles is maximum. I already told you. Why? Because the particles of solid is very closely to each other, so the force of attraction is very high. For example, one second, I will change the color. One particle is there, one particle is there. They are very attraction to each other. Same way, one particle each other, one particle each other. They have space away from each other, so they minimum the attraction. The solid, you don't confuse, the solid particles is minimum between the attraction, okay. The next property is the movement of the particles is minimum. Yes, because the particles matter. The particles of solid is very closely to each other, so the movements is also minimum. It's like vibration. Once again, I erase them. They are least compressibility. Compressibility, which means you can see there, which means it's a hand, okay. It's a hand. I will put on a box. It's also a hand. I will compress the box. Box is not change the shape, because the compressibility is very least, not no compressibility on solid, okay. For example, now you take a sponge and compress. Sponge is, when you compress the sponge is very close. When you free the sponge is very free. Yes, okay. The next one is the rate of diffusion is least, because I already told you the solid particles are very closely to each other, so diffusion is least. The next state is liquid. We discuss properties of liquid. First one is liquid have no definite shape but have fixed value. Liquid take the shape of container. We all know the liquid is not definite shape. It's take a container shape. Example, now you take the water in bottle. Water take a bottle shape. Yes, you can see there. And again you will take the water in cup. Water take the cup shape. And again you will take on water in vessel. Water take the vessel shape. Yes, yes. The water, the liquid is not definite shape, but have the fixed value, have the definite value. How? Very easy. But you will take the 100 ml water, exactly 100 ml water. Again put on a water in bottle, okay. Again put on the water in bottle. Again put on the water in vessel. Again put on the water in jar. Again last time you will put on the water in, first you take the 100 ml water, that container, again you put on the water. What you see, the rate of water is high or low? No, that 100 ml exact, which means liquid have the definite value, okay. You take 100 ml water, its water go on other container, again come to the First container, but water exactly the 100 ml is 100 milliliter. Okay, clear? The next property is the force of attraction between the particles is intermediate, because the particles of liquid is also intermediate. So the force of attraction between the particles is intermediate. Intermediate, which means between, uh, not not greater, not lesser, that between. Okay, not greater, not lesser, that is between. The next one is they are less compressible. For example, you will take a syringe. Syringe is like this. It's not look like syringe, but no problem. Okay, and close the mouth. Here the mouth, close the mouth. Okay, and close the mouth and press the piston. It is piston, and press the piston. Piston. Okay, and press the piston. Compress the piston. What you see? The water is glowing? No, because water is less compressible. Water is less compressibility. Less, not no compressibility. Okay. You will compress the piston, but water is not flow. Okay, clear? That's clear? Okay. Go ahead the next question. Next property is their rate of diffusion is more than solid, because the liquid have the liquid have the little bit space between them. Yes, look like this. So their rate of diffusion is more than solid. Solid have the very closely to each other particles. The solid is less than the diffusion, but the rate of diffusion is more than the solid. Okay, clear? These are the properties of liquid. Go ahead the gaseous properties. The property is gaseous property. We learn the gaseous property. Gases have no definite shape or definite value. Gases occupy the whole space of the container. Gases is no shape. For example, I will change the color. Okay. Is no fixed shape. It's also take a container shape, but mouth is closed. Okay. Next one is don't fixed value. For example, I will take a small amount of gas and put a large beaker. It is small beaker. I will put on a here in large beaker. What you see, I will take a small amount of air, but it contains a very large. When I put on the large glass or large beaker, it's contain a whole space of the container. It contain a whole space of the container. Okay, clear? Gases is no definite shape, no fixed value. Very easy. The properties of solid, the properties of gases are opposite. Okay, you only remember the property of solid, you can easy to write the properties of gaseous. The second one is the space between the particles is maximum. You can see the space between the particles is very maximum. Yeah. Third one is the force of attraction between the particles is minimum, because the space between the particles is maximum. So the force attraction between the particles is minimum. And the fourth one is the movement of the particles are maximum. The kinetic energy is maximum. Why? Because they are very space between them, so they are easily to movement is easily to movement. For example, he will go the fair. Okay, it is very rush. You cannot move very fast, but you will go the only single walk. You can easily to walk because the space is very much. When you go to the fair, the space is little because very members was come in the fair. So the particles of gases is very away from each other, so the moment is also a maximum. They are most compressible. Yes. For example, I already told you the liquid particles. Very easy. You will take the syringe. Once again, you will take the syringe. Again, liquid. When you are liquid, you will take the water. Same way, you will take the gas. Okay. That's like syringe. Okay. That's like syringe. You can close the mouth. Okay. When you can take the hair in the weather and close the mouth and compress the pigeon. Okay, and compress the pigeon. Hair is very easy to flow. Yes, you can do this activity. You will easily to understand, which means they are most compressibility. Their rate of diffusion is more than solid and liquid. It is more because the particles of gaseous are very away from each other. So the diffusion is more. Thank you for watching this video. Next concept we learn the next video. Thank you.